This video will teach you how to install our aluminum channel with the adjustable clips. To get started, you'll need the following items: pencil, screws, self-tapping screws for metal or cement screws, drill, large Phillips screwdriver, level, tape measure, adjustable clip, pre-cut channel. Plan where the clips will go. The clips should be installed at the beginning and end of each channel section, and then about every 1.5 feet in between. Pre-drill the mounting holes in the channel. Then connect your channel to the clips by screwing it to the top with the low profile screw provided. Use your level to make sure the channel is installed straight. Then screw the adjustable clip to the wall with the 4 screws. Once the channel is in place, install your ribbon, attach your end caps, and then snap the lens into place.